Breaking news. Suspicious court order on Igboho. Benin must prove it respects rule of law. Yoruba Nation lawyers warns. Hello, my wonderful people, it's happening. There's been a suspicious court order on our very own brother, Chief Sunday Igboho. On the last court hearing, there was no date fixed for the next court hearing. The judges said it was in order for them to carry out a thorough investigation on some of the issues they would like to get clarity about. But guess what? All of a sudden, a suspicious court order that was not spoken about, that was never part of the premise in the last court decision or discussion, and all of a sudden, this is coming up. Well, lawyers are saying, we don't understand what's happening, oh, but Benin Republic, you must prove to us that indeed you respect what we call the rule of law. We don't understand all of a sudden a suspicious court order coming for Sunday Igboho. Why is it coming now? And where is it coming from? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. Suspicious court order on Igboho. Benin must prove it respects the rule of law. Yoruba Nation lawyers warns. Olasupo Ojo, a former president of the Committee for the Defense of Human Rights, is the legal advisor of the Elena Omodua. Ojo is also the coordinator of legal affairs for Yoruba Nation agitator Chief Sunday Adeyemo, fondly called Sunday Igboho. In the interview, the lawyer says the authority of Benin Republic must prove to the international community that it respects rule of law over the move of Nigerian government to extradite Chief Sunday Igboho from Benin. He calls the court order reminding the activists in prison suspicious, but is optimistic that Chief Sunday Igboho will get justice. The court in Benin Republic decided to remind Chief Sunday Igboho in prison as investigation into his court case goes on. What are they investigating? And how long will it take to investigate anyway? We are suspicious, so we are suspicious because there was no democracy, no documentation, no democracy in this country being honored at all. No documentation, evidences of any allegation against him. And we are not comfortable with the order made by the court because there was no basis to make the order. Haven't failed to establish any case against him, it is not the duty of the court to substitute a charge that is not known or there to his victim. The court has done that in spite of his lawyer objection to substitution, but the courts appear powerless. That is, the hand of the court was tied to remind him. You cannot hold someone against his will under the disguise of protecting or speaking that you are investigating. So we are suspicious of the motive of the court to remind Chief Sunday Igboho we are doing everything to prevent any unlawful deportation. We are insisting, yes, that they should do whatever they will have to do according to the law. Nothing less, nothing more. Hello, my wonderful people. Now, so the matter they reach also. Lawyer don't they suspect these people say their hand no clean. They don't they suspect say some things they go on, and it go interest you to know say some people won't do some other things in this matter. When you look at everything that is happening with Chief Sunday Igboho, it is very unfortunate that Chief Sunday Igboho has to go through what he's going through. It's unfortunate that our brother has to go through what he's going through. For crying out loud, those who should be disciplined, those who should be, brought to full justice are not being brought to full justice. Those who are shooting down fighter jets, nothing is happening to them. Those who are carrying out all form of evil atrocities in this country, nothing is happening to them. They go scot-free. In fact, they even boast about it. Yes, they will tell you they've killed soldiers, they've done this, they've done that, and nothing will happen. And guess what? Honestly speaking, nothing does happen. But Sunday Igboho is saying, well, people should be able to go about their life, go to their farms. The government is giving them any form of no form of support at all. The country, there is no help, there is no relief for single mothers and all that. People should be assisted here and there. And guess what? This assistance is not coming. So let us assist the people. Guess what? The government of Nigeria say no, you cannot assist the people. And this is why Chief Sunday Igboho is going through what he's going through. It's not because he has committed any form of offense and all that. No, he did not commit any form of offense. In fact, the offense he committed is that he's speaking so that people will be free. That is the offense he has committed. In case you're not aware, that's the offense he has committed. And when you look at it, you feel very bad because Chief Sunday Igboho should not be in Benin Republic for any reason. The reason he was there was because he has a heart for people genuinely. He sincerely and truly loves people. Yes, his wife is a German citizen, for crying out loud. That alone entitles him to leave this country and go to Germany. Yes, investigate. He has legal grounds as a married man to his wife, and they have children. Even if you don't have children, but you're legally married, is enough. Is enough. Is enough for him to, go on. I mean, and forget about Nigeria and his problem. But no, this man stood back. And guess what? If you listen to the lawyer's words very well, the court's hands were tied. They have no case against him, but they could not leave him. So they said they are investigating what, I mean, even the investigation is suspicious. What exactly are you investigating? Like seriously, what are you investigating? What there is? Imagine there's nothing, but you say you're investigating, and as we speak, no court date was picked. So it's a clever way to dodge whatever they are dodging. You see, it's a clever way to get away from it so that they don't be in the middle of it, if you get what I mean. It's a very clever way. Subtle way to say, well, we don't know what the government wants to do with this man, but we don't want to have anything to do with it. Do you see where we are coming from? Exactly. We will continue to pray, and I really want to enjoy you all to please pray for Chief Sunday Igboho, pray for Nnamdi Kanu. These young men, their crime is that they stood up for people, that God will protect them. They stood up for the voiceless. That's their crime. They see things that are wrong and they say, no, this is not right. That's their crime. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button. Bye for now.